I just wanted to build a battery box, man. That's what I wanted to do. And we didn't have the stuff laying around, so I junkyarded it up. You know, I just made it work with what we had. It needed to be on the driver's side. They came on the passenger side, and I made it work on the driver's side. I'm not like super knowledgeable about square bodies, but it almost seems like those trucks were made to have one on that side. Maybe the diesels had an auxiliary battery that worked in all the same spots. I'm not real sure, but it certainly seems like General Motors had intention of having a battery on that side of the truck. I had to do some cutting, grinding, a little welding, you know. It'd have been cool if we had a sandblaster cleaning these kind of parts up. Really, like a sandblaster really makes a big difference. I had to use the wire wheel on the bench grinder and then the wire wheel on the drill, just to get in all the nooks and crannies and try to clean it up. It turned into a pretty good part. I think it worked out good. Yes, we could have bought a few things. We could have ordered something and spent more money than we've already spent, but we got to just take this piece and have something the same day. I mean, it's just a matter of creating it and thinking about it and trying to plan it out. And you ain't always gonna have the tightest stuff out there or spend your money on the brand new. You know, you just go out there and make it. And we made it happen all in one day.